In this video, I'm going to solve these three questions from the chapter area related to circle. That's for class 10th. So let's begin with the first question. So let's say if I remove these first. So in the first question, it says, if the circumference of a circle is numerically equal to the diameter of the circle. No, sorry. The question here is the circumference of and the area of the circle are numerically equal. Then the diameter of the circle is what? So what we know the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r, and that is numerically equal to the area of the circle, and area of the circle is what? Pi r square. So r square means r into r, right? I may write r into r as well. So what you can figure out from here that this get cancelled, right? Pi and pi get cancelled. 1 r with this r get cancelled. So 2 is equal to r. That implies the radius is 2 unit, right? Not centimeter. You should say 2 unit. So we got radius as 2 units, and then we are asked to find the diameter. What we know that diameter of a circle is twice the radius. So in that case, twice of 2. So diameter comes out to be 4 unit. So yes, so B is the correct option in this case. Let's see the next one. So in the next question, it says find the area of the shaded region, and we are given ABCD is a rectangle with the sides as mentioned as 8 and 6 centimeter, right? These are the length and breadth, and we are also given O being the center of the circle. So the property used here is what? We know that angle in a semicircle is right angle, right? This is a property of a circle that angle in a semicircle is right angle. So this is 90 degree. Now, but then first of all, you should see which is the shaded region. Shaded region are these, right? These are the shaded region. So from here, we can see that if we subtract the area of this rectangle from the area of this circle, we should get the area of the shaded region. Now, for finding the area of a rectangle, we can use length multiplied by breadth, whose dimensions are already given. But then how to get the area of a circle? We know that area of a circle is what? Area of a circle is pi r square. That means we need to know the radius over here. That is this. Diameter is this. So what is the radius? Radius clearly is this, right? This is the radius. Now check here. As I said here, that angle in a semicircle is right angle, right? This is angle in a semicircle. So we are first going to apply the property of this, and then by using Pythagoras theorem, we can get the value of AC. So I can say that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AD square plus DC square. AC square is what we have to get. AD is what? 6. So that is 6 square, and this is 8 square. So AC square comes out to be 36 plus 64. So that results to give AC square as 100. So AC is what? 10, right? That is under root 100. That's 10 in centimeter. Yeah, it's centimeter. So we got AC. Now AC is the diameter. So therefore the radius, which you know that half the diameter. So half of 5, 10 is what? 5 centimeter. So now here we know the radius of the circle, so we can find the area of this, right? Now we know the radius of the circle, so we can find its area. So check what is the area of the circle is, that's pi r square. So from here, if I plug in the value of pi, which is mentioned as 3.14 into r square, and r is 5, so that is 5 into 5. So we can get the area from here, and this is 3.14 multiplied by 25 should give you how much? 78.5 centimeters square. Now we got the area of this circle, and then next what we'll do, we'll find the area of this rectangle. So let's find out the area of this rectangle. So area of a rectangle formula is what? Let's say if I use A2 here as length multiplied by breadth. So A length is what? 8, and the width is 6. So 8 into 6 is how much? 48 centimeters square. So clearly if we subtract these two, we should get the required area So the resultant area, right, the required area in this case will be, that is 78.5 minus 48, that is 30.8, I suppose. Yeah. 78 minus 48 is 30.5 centimeter square should be the answer for this part. Let's come to the 9. This question it says in the figure, you can see OCB is a quadrant. OACB is a quadrant. That's true. Now, we are mentioned it's a quadrant and of a circle of radius 7 centimeters. So that means this is 7 and this is 7. This is the radius. What we have to find out is the perimeter of this quadrant. So for finding the perimeter of this quadrant, as you can see from the figure, we know the length of this, we know the length of this as well, right? Then we have to get the length of this part. So if we find the length of this part, we can say that the sum of these three should give you the perimeter. Now, what is this? This portion is what? That is 1/4 the circumference of a circle. So we can say that the length of ACB here is what? 1/4. 1/4 the circumference of a circle, and circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. So this is 1/4. I can reduce it here only. This get cancelled by 2 times. So this is pi, this is half, right? We are left with half over here. And pi is what? 22/7, and the radius is mentioned as 7. So these 7 get cancelled. This 2 1 time, 2 11 times. So that is 11 centimeter. Now check, we now know this is 11 centimeter. And perimeter is what? The sum of the boundaries. So if I find the perimeter, it should be 7 plus 7 plus 11. So it comes out to be 14 plus 11 is what? 25 centimeters. So we'll say that 25, that is C is the correct option in this case.